Hey guys, we're getting a hedgehog today. We got the hedgehog. He's chilling in there. You can see his little head now. He's cuddled in this frog blanket I got for him. Look up here. Come on, look up here. Oh, hello. You look? He's looking at me. We have all this stuff here and we're gonna set up his cage. Hello, little guy. Very nice to meet you, sir.
Okay, currently he is hiding from us in this little slipper and he does scratches. Listen. You saw that little foot come out? Oh my god.
Welcome to your new home. Put him in there. This is your new home. You can explore when you feel comfortable, okay? Look at him.
Can you make him come out?
No, he's relaxing.
Oh wait, I'll see in there.
He's relaxing. And he has a pooper box and a water bottle that has a turtle in the top and a little pink food bowl that he's probably gonna flip over and a frog. Oh, what a tiny boy.
Oh, he's shaking.
Don't fall. Oh my god, wait.
Oh.
Do you think?
Your arms are a bit skinny.
Yeah, they're
I'll catch you. I think he likes you.
Yeah, I think he feels comfy. Oh, oh my god, God! Okay, I'm gonna put you down in here. Are you
He
exploring?
might bury himself.
He's going in the frog. I hope he likes it in there. It's a very cute frog. The frog is alive.
He smell and he eat.
He eats. Look how hungry he is. He must have had a long day. Now you like him?
Yeah, he's just pushing it around. He's not even eating it. Oh, he's looking at us now.
Look how hungry he is. He tipped his bowl. Come on out. Oh, he's exploring.
Go poo. Please go poo.
Yeah,
Go in the litter.
that would be so cool if he
Looks like he's about to.
Oh, let's film his first poop.
Come on, drink the water.
Oh, he's scratching.
Oh, I thought he was pooping.
Oh, hello.
did. Let him explore.
Do you want more foodies?
He's hungry still. He's sniffing us. Hello. Nice to meet you, Taro. Are you... Look at his leg. He's so cute. He's very itchy. He's just exploring. Let him explore.
Just a little.
Look at his hair race. He doesn't like me.
Oh, get there.
I'm sorry I scared you. Finally drinking. Look at his little tongue. So cute. Good job. You're an expert at drinking now.
He did that all by himself.
He's a genius. You're gonna be the next
Einstein.
Is
Einstein.
Max here?
Einstein hedgehog.
Oh, open
Stop
the
stepping in your
garage.
food.
I have no clue.
I don't know. Oh wow.
No, I think he likes it like that.
Like, ooh,
I think he likes to play tug of
aggressive.
war with it. He's very aggressive water
Like chew
drinker.
toys. You be drinking and drinking.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Very hydrated boy.
He's time time to chomp. Chomp, 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 chomp.
Oh.
Chomp, chomp. Oh my god. We need to get him a chew toy. Stop. He's eating it. That's not what that's for.
I like his teeth.
They're so tiny.
He's under the frog. What are you doing?
He's snoring. You can't fit under there, Taro. Look at him. He's hanging